Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make a special pork recipe, Kerala style pork tapioca curry recipe. This recipe can be served along with any food or you can have it alone. It's so delicious when served along with rice, chapati or porotto. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 1 kg pork, add 1 teaspoon chilli powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons salt. Mix it well. Then add 1 kg tapioca on top of it, add 1.5 cup of water and just close the lid. Cook for 1 whistle on high flame. After 1 whistle, switch off the flame. Keep it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we can open the lid. Pork and tapioca has cooked well. Keep aside for later use. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, 2 to 3 chopped green chilies. Mix it well. Saute it for 1 minute on medium flame. Add 3 chopped onion. Mix it well. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook until onion becomes soft on medium heat. Now the onion has become soft. Add 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix and cook for 2 minutes on low flame. Now add the cooked pork and tapioca to it. Add 1 cup of water. Close the lid and cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. After 10 minutes, add curry leaves and mix it well. Cook for 2 minutes on medium flame.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Now we can switch off the flame. Our special pork tapioca curry recipe is ready. You can have it along with rice, roti, chapati, porotto or even alone. It's so yummy.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.